Hi, it's Valerie with another video. Welcome back. Today's video is going to be a true experiment. So my skin, especially with the weight loss, I feel has changed a lot. So, cutting back on fats mainly, I feel like I've lost a lot of the collagen in my skin. And especially, with weight loss, you're going to have skin issues anyway, especially when you lose a significant amount of weight, which I have. I've lost about 120 pounds. So I am dealing with things like this where my cheeks used to be really full, and now that they're not, I don't know if you can see this, but just like those lines for where this, basically loose skin on my face. So someone recommended to me a product to use. What this product is supposed to do is exfoliate away and get rid of the dead skin cells. It has a slight amount of acid in it to help lift that dead skin. And also it's supposed to rejuvenate your skin. So what my friend recommended to me was this product here. It's by Peter Thomas Roth. And it is pricey. I think I paid, I want to say $40 or $50 for this. So it's supposed to, it says exfoliates by rolling and lifting and sweeping away dead skin and all of that stuff and blemishes. Just literally, you massage it right in. So I'm going to do a quick before and after and see how it works. Now, I'm not expecting a miracle by any chance, but I just kind of want to see, what it does. So I'm going to give it a try right now. There. So I've massaged in the product until all of the product peeled away from my face, and now my face feels pretty smooth. So now I'm just going to get a warm towel and wipe away any remaining product and then see what the final results are. Now I'm going to use the same towel, just run it in as cold of water as I can stand it, and then wipe my face again to close up my pores. And then I'm going to add some skin tightening cream and some moisturizer, then some skin tightening cream, and then we'll see how I look. And my skin feels oh my gosh. Okay, do you guys see what I see? Do you guys see what I'm seeing? What are you noticing? Is it just me or did it lighten my skin? Oh my gosh. Okay. This says nothing about it being like a skin bleacher or lightener. Okay. I hope that better be temporary. Because look, now my hands don't match my face. Wow. I'm wondering if I left it on too long, or maybe I didn't do it quick enough, or if I used too much product, but I don't know, is it just me? Look at that, like my face is like 3-4 shades lighter than my hands now. Okay, so based on that, I don't think I'll be using this product again. Wow, I'll have to look up reviews and see if that's happened to anyone else, because look at that, guys. Look, this is not a good thing. Oh my, look at my face. It's lighter than my neck. Look at that. Look, it's lighter than my neck. I look like I have on a different head. Oh no, wait, you know what? Let me try to put on my moisturizer and stuff. It could just be the fact that I just used it. Let's see. The moisturizer I'm using is Strivectin. I love Strivectin products. They're amazing. And they're good for older women. So I'm going to put on the moisturizer here and see if my color comes back. I don't know. It's kind of, I mean, even to the point where I have some pinkish coming through. I don't know. I actually see pink under. Huh. That's really weird. It's really, really, really weird. Okay. All right. I have to work on that. I don't know what's going on with that. Next, I'm just using some, this is like wrinkle filler by Strivectin. So I'm just putting a little bit on that one trouble spot that I have. Now by Strivectin, I'm using this, the super tightening cream. I think this has been helping I've just been using this, and as you can see, my neck looks, I think, amazing, considering, you know, I don't have like a turkey neck or anything from losing weight, because I've been using the Strivectin products, but I've only been focusing on my neck. I should have been focusing on my entire face this whole time. But that's okay, I'm starting now. I love Strivectin products. Oh, am I the only one who just absolutely loves them? All right, my face feels amazing. Really, it really, really does. It feels amazing. So, overall, as far as how my face feels, it feels incredible. And, wow. Definitely see a reduction in the wrinkle. Most definitely. Look. Wow, I'd say 50% reduction. 50%. So as far as that goes, I think this has been amazing to lift off that dead skin. My forehead looks better, you know, but mainly I told you I was focusing on this area, then my forehead, but I see a difference. It looks great. The only thing I'm confused about right now is the whole skin light thing. I'm afraid to do it again and focus on here, because then my face might get even lighter. All right. Anyway, so I would give this a 5 out of 10, and only because of the skin lightening part of it. That should have been like a warning, or, you know, something. There should have been some heads up about that. So I kind of feel blindsided, but other than that, I think it did a great job. So there's got to be a product on the market out there that's as good as that, or better maybe, but just doesn't mess with your skin color. So yeah. All right, well guys, that's it. Thanks for watching.